Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel and happy Navaratras to all of you who are fasting and observing the Navaratras. So I've been posting some recipes, Farali recipes, you must have seen them. Here is one more recipe, easy peasy chutney. It's dry peanut and coconut chutney, the one we serve with Vada pav. But this one will be made without the addition of garlic in it. It's quick with 3-4 ingredients. You can just make this and keep to serve with your Farali snacks. It goes well with even puris and parathas, with kuttu and buckwheat flour puris, whatever you make during the fasting period. You can serve this with them also. So let's proceed to make this Farali chutney. For the Farali dry chutney powder, I have taken 4 tablespoons of roasted and crushed peanuts, 2 tablespoons of dry desiccated coconut, and Kashmiri chilli powder. Use as much as you like. I'll be using about 1 tablespoon, and sendha namak, rock salt. Now let's mix and crush the ingredients. Transfer the crushed peanuts into a mortar and pestle. Halfway through we have done it in the mixie because the peanuts have a lot of oil content in them. If you grind more, they become into peanut butter. So it's better to do in a pestle and mortar. I usually keep these crushed peanuts ready to add in various dishes. Now this is done and we'll add other ingredients. Salt to taste, dry desiccated coconut, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. Give it a good stir so that everything is mixed well. Now continue to crush them again. We need a nice and crumbly texture. And Kashmiri powder, chili powder also gives a lovely color to it. And it's not too spicy, so you can be liberal in adding it as much as you like. Usually to the chutney we add a lot of garlic, and also fresh coconut can be added, grated fresh coconut, but that one stays for a less time. You can't store it for long because of the liquid content in the coconut and garlic. But this version can be stored for a very long time. Transfer it into a serving bowl, or if you make more quantity, you can put it into a jar. Okay, the chutney is ready for you to enjoy. Give it a try and make this chutney and serve it along with your Farali snacks, idlis, dosas during Navaratri. Do check out the other Farali recipes as well. I have posted quite a few of them. Playlist link is shared in the end screen and description box. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.